Welcome to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post technology related video, and in today's technology related video we are going to be talking about the new AI technology called Midjourney. So for those people who do not know what Midjourney is, basically you guys can generate any art using Midjourney Discord server. You just have to type in the type of art you want, and the type of information you type on the Discord, Midjourney bot will interpret the text you typed and create the image according to the text. If I write a text called a person holding apple, Midjourney will create that. So that's basically like the short version of it. Let me show you how we guys can join its Discord server, because without joining the Discord server you guys cannot use Midjourney. Midjourney can only be used through Discord. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. First step, after opening your browser, you want to go to Discord login. Once you search for Discord login just like this, the first option where it says Discord, you want to click on it, and it's going to take you to the official website of Discord. Over here, you want to click on Open Discord in your browser. You want to click on it and it'll ask you to log in into your Discord account. Now once you log in into your Discord account will open up over here. Now once your Discord account opens up over here, you log in into it, you have done everything. The next step you want to do is open up another tab over here and search for Midjourney. Alright, so you want to search for Midjourney. Once you search for Midjourney, the first option, click on it, and once you click on the first option, let the website load for some time. Now once the website loads up like this, what you want to do is click on sign in, and as I said, you need your Discord account to create a Midjourney account. So whichever Discord account you have over here, your Midjourney account will automatically be created according to that. Alright, since it's going to automatically link with your Discord, so it's linking with my Discord. As you guys can see, it says this. What I can do is click on authorize. Now wait for some time and it's going to be added on my server. Since it's already added on my server, it didn't ask me for the permission. But if you guys have not yet added this on your server, then it's going to ask you, do you want to add it or not? It's just a permission. Just say okay, authorize, and it's basically going to be added automatically. But yeah, just log in into your Discord account and go to over here midjourney.com and connect those two. It'll work. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.